Hello again. Um, we are now on what should be the last session of our little event here, where we will just go through and clean up all of the text for all of these events. We have certain ones that are just too long, other ones that are just too short. I do need to update one of the meds, the one with the chickens. The chickens are too long. Let me fix this. We can't open it if we have no chickens. I'm hoping that shows up properly. Let me just copy and paste it. Save that. I'm just going to add a text event here quick to see if this works. Pick random person. There you go. There we go. That's perfect. Completely insane. So these guys are all set. All of these sessions and everything. Um, I fixed the madness. What's really left to do is these guys. Oh, that was the other thing I needed. To make sure all these guys are moving in a random configuration because there were some of them that weren't. Yes, set to random, set to random. So the overworld characters are set properly. The ones in the stores are not. That is where we're having issues. These guys here, set to random. This guy here, set to random. That one's already set. That one's already set. And the last one, the church. There we go. Those guys are fixed. It's just these events now. I can pull out a lot of these excessive things here. And I believe I have it just called. I can drop this because I don't need to track that anymore. Let me update this. I'm actually just going to go ahead and update the controller with their proper image. So let's see. Excuse me. Um, Boy. Hmm. So that's corrected. These two are here. Let me update, say action, I believe it is. This is the one that I may actually have to make modifications to. Because this code is not correct at all. I'm not pulling up the actor code, I'm pulling up the character code, which is not correct when I try to translate them. Um, so instead, I'm going to have to pull this together separately, which is probably going to be setting get message on its own. Thankfully, I have just written down on this what exactly I am doing with it. Oh, there we go. Still having some trouble tracking that mouse. Here we go. Hmm. So we know which faces we have. We know which um, characters we have. Okay, we have the block ID information. We just need to set the character ID properly. Actually, no, that wouldn't be right because that would just say what we want. Okay, let's go ahead and structure this on our own. And we're going to go with, not number 15, it's value of number 15. This is the reason why. Uh, Give me a second. Variables, value 15. So we get the character ID from value 15. We get the actor ID from that. And then from there, we need to draw. No, we just need the name. That's all we need. So the first one's going to be nature, 4. Then we're going to add, let's see, we set the image for the face, then we need to set the text. First line of text is angel 1. Mm, I'm not sure if it's going to use a dot or a plus sign for combining the components, but let's see what happens if I do either. So we're going to go with name, I forgot to grab block. That should be it. I just don't know if this uses dots or pluses. Well, we'll find out. I'll update this one here. Actually, I'll just save that and we'll see what happens. It should be pretty quick to see how it goes. Yep, it choked on that. So let me see real quick what our options are. Uh, I am just looking things up on the internet for a moment. I need to figure out how to concatenate these two strings. Um, Let me swap those out with plus signs and see if that works. That may, like I said, it's been a long time since I've tried to do any of these things, and I am not sure which format this uses. But apparently, periods are definitely not it. Let's see if string concatenation works with just a simple plus sign. I need just a basic concatenation operator. Let's see if it crashes. Oh, it's wrong, but at least I know it works. I do have the logic wrong though, but it works. Button. Here we go. So that gives me which character it is. It doesn't give me which actor it is because I need to take that number add that in here too. Change this to character. And this should be the end of it, hopefully. If this works, we should see two separate values when this is processed. Okay, Vanessa on block 5, innkeeper. That's correct. Teresa on block 1, Leopold, priest, mayor, Donald, store manager, our master. So that is working. I just need to clear out the failed version of it, and we should be set. So let me purge this. Let me purge this. Then the only thing left is season transfer. Where is the ethereal realm? I should have an option here for just plain darkness. Oh, which one did I use for this? This is dungeon. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and use dungeon for this too. So that I can set everything to be darkness. And set an auto run. One second. Okay. Let's see. Actually, there is one thing I want to post. Where do I want to put it? Let's just see if this works, because I honestly have no idea what that looks like. I need to add a wait state in there because that went way too fast. I mean, it's working, but it's doing the whole game like instantly. And you toss in a wait state. And finally, and I didn't put the game over event, did I? I forgot to put the game over event. That's actually pretty cool. I was not expecting that. I think that's over here. This is running so ridiculously fast. I'll go ahead and kick it off again. Come on. Let's see if I can get that to display properly before it actually kicks you out. And then, yeah, there's no secondary events to transition to, so it's just kind of dumping the whole event all at once. So I'll need to update that. I'm not sure how to make it wait. And 2 more seasons, and we can see the ending sequence again. I've actually never used that scrolling text field before. 1 more season. Let's see if this exits cleanly. Okay. Scrolling text is running. And when it reaches the top of the screen, it should purge the whole thing and just transition straight to game over. Boom, there it is. That was pretty spiffy. So yeah, with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this session. Um, I do need to tweak the timing on the say action piece, but I can go ahead and do that off camera, and you guys can see what the final result is, shortly. So with all that, I hope you have a happy new year, and we'll see you on the next project. Bye.